It's alright, the freaking Eagle. Thought I was going to start putting the disc brake conversion on it today. I'm glad I didn't pull it down because I've got the 2-inch drop spindles here. And when you get the 2-inch drop spindle, it takes a special disc brake. You just can't order the regular disc brake setup. It will not work on a 2-inch drop spindle. I wanted to put these on, but of course everything you go to order is unavailable and they don't know when they're going to get it in. So I just stopped what I was doing, gonna get into something else. I'm just glad I didn't tear it apart, take all the drums off and all that. At least now I can putter around the yard with it up and down the driveway till I got the disc brake, the complete set, excuse me, for the back. All those parts are intact, but got this with another deal I got with a 62 Impala and thought that everything was there, but it's not. And then I found out it won't even work with your regular disc brake setup. So it's either that excuse me, something, or just chop the coils again. But what I was going to do, these are chopped 2 coils, that's too much. I was going to chop it 1 coil and put the 2-inch drop spindle on it. But now I just might not even use the 2-inch drop spindle for right now and just chop the coil about maybe 1. The springs, chop them 1. Anyway, I had hooked the transmission lines to the radiator. That's a huge radiator. I think it came out of like an early 70s Pontiac Bonneville. And then I got the, it's like a Volvo type, some kind of a late model. I think it's an aftermarket, really. Dual fan, I got that on. But I ordered a little while ago real nice Hayden trans cooler. And that will go right in here and get it out of the radiator. It's got enough fan there to draw it through. Just going to do little things until I can, wire I got an old tack in there, I can wire that up. Real old tack, I want to use that. You can see it right there, it's a Bonneville tack. And that's the slotted rollers that I have with it. Now I got the power booster and all that down there for it. Big master cylinder. Got all kind of parts in here that eventually it's going to come together and it's going to be a wild thing on the street. That's it. I'll let you know later what's going on with it, but I'm going to continue working on it till I can get the parts in. But they said they have no idea when they will arrive because they can't get anybody to get off the butt and work today. That's it.